welcome at the Weasley vlog. Today we're going to do another unboxing of the Funkos. Today's topic is, Natasha?
Patronuses.
Yes, Harry Potter Patronuses. In this lineup we're just missing one, and that's Harry Potter. Sorry Harry Potter, you're not included in this one. But I can show you a picture right here. Little Carlisle is like playing, so I'll be right back. Yeah, so first one is Minerva McGonagall, and we have a cat. So it's very small and very cute. Here she is. Of course, McGonagall is Thank you. Okay. Of course, McGonagall is an animagus. She's a cat, so her Patronus is a cat as well. Is it a tabby cat? Can't remember, it's some kind of breed. I will turn her for you, because he's so cute. So you can see little flames. Little blue flames. And there she is. You can even see her little whiskers. This is very, very cute. So there we go. There she is. Next one is Severus Snape. So Severus Snape is a duo, which is the same as Lily's. So you can also say it's Lily's Patronus. There she is. Ooh, she's very, very smooth. I hope I don't drop her. Okay, I'm already noticing something with this one. So, wait. I'm stupid.
She has a stand.
She has a stand. So this is the stand. There we go. Problem avoided. She's very smooth. It's different from a McGonagall one. So I'm going to turn her for you guys. Again, you can see the little flames. And the little hoofs are made darker, so you can see the hoofs and the eyes and the nose. Really cute. You know why I did not notice it, that there was a stand right here. Normally the stand would be here. So I was like, oh, she has no stand, but the stand is in here. So if you're going to unbox her and you're like, she doesn't have a stand, she has. Look for it. To this one. Such a smooth head. I want to touch it, Natasha. Okay. Next one is Ron Weasley. Ron Weasley is a Jack Russell Terrier, which my sister and I owned a Jack Russell when we were very young. So this one has a special place in my heart.
It looks a lot like a little stipple.
Yeah, it does. This one also does not have a stand, but I think he can stand on his own, as you can see. This one has way more flames than the doe does. And I'm going to turn it for you guys. Doesn't it Jack Russell in one of the shots run into another Patronus? I think so. If I find a clip, I will add it to this video. Wow, these flames. There's so much flames. Look at it.
They say that Hermione and Ron's Patronus are connected because Jack Russell Terriers hunt on others.
Did not know that. That's so cute. So they with a hunt, you mean like?
Maybe he is hunting on the other in. I don't know. Maybe.
Or that he was like behind the other and then...
I don't know, but
Okay.
they said on... I heard that, yeah, Jack Russell's hunt on others.
Huh. Did not know that. So...
But I don't know if that was the point
in the movie.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. So, talking about others, here's the Hermione one. She's very light. She's in there though, so that's okay. Also, this one doesn't have a stand. Oh, this one is so cute. Look at it. She can stand by her own because her flames are a little stand. And she's, yeah, a bit like the McGonagall one. She's not smooth, but she's, yeah, the little hairs.
they're also shiny.
Yeah, it's shiny. I like the little tail. And she's little paws. So cute. I'm going to turn her now. With the little ears. I like that her flames are like bundled together. That
Graceful.
yeah, like every Funko has its own design with the flames. It's really cool. This one is so adorable. You're adorable, Hermione. Whoosh. Just gonna put Hermione over here. Next one is the wolf, which is
Remus Lupin.
good. This one is very cool. Also does not have a stand. There you go. And yeah, almost the same as Jack Russell for the flames. I don't know if it has to be standing like this or that. It doesn't. It needs a stand. Well, that's my opinion though. So I'm going to turn him for you guys. And for this Funko, you can see his eyes and his nose. That's are the only ones that are really made blue. There we go. Hello.
They also want to look Carlisle.
Yeah, Cardell knows that there is one Funko that looks like him. Look. Look. That's you. No, it's not. You're adorable, Carlo. There you go. Going to put McGonagall back, of course. Carlo. Can you please get out of the frame? Hmm? Good kitty. Yes, go. And then the last one is Fox. And this is the Patronus of Dumbledore. Carlisle, can you just leave? You're so cute. Yeah, stay there. There we go. I like this one. Look at the wings and everything. Let me see. Get the box away. I think this is one of the prettiest. Like there's so many details with the feathers. And I don't think they had much placement for the smoke. Because there's so many accents into this piece. Oops, sorry. With his little beak. this one. I'm just thinking, would Credence or Credence Patronus also be it? We have to look at the new Fantastic Beasts to see if they have any Patronuses in there. I like this one. So I'm going to put him back right here. So now let's talk about favorites. I already said I liked this one. I like the most right now. As for Funko, that's what I meant. Of course I love the Jack Russell. And the cat. Which one is your favorite, Natasha?
I like them all because for some reason I like the animal Funkos. So I love them.
Because the animal Funkos are so cute. Have big eyes.
And they're not like one in a dozen. Like there's so many Harry Potter Funkos, but I like this. I like those.
Yeah, you're like, you got Harry and then they just add like something new to Harry. But
yeah, they
still
have like
Harry.
8 Harrys or something.
Yeah, a different hairstyle, sometimes a different prop in his hands.
So I like that they made a completely new thing with it. But I think Luna is missing. I want Luna's bunny.
Yes, yeah, that was like, I was disappointed when I didn't see Luna on the lineup. I really hope that they will still add Luna, but we can only hope.
So these are all of the Patronuses at the moment. We miss Harry, but we'll put a picture in the video so that you can see it.
I also think this is an open lineup because if I look at the backside of all the Funkos, they don't say how many Funkos there will be or how many there are. So maybe they will have more in the future. And I don't know if there are more seen in the movie. I think the rabbit is, or the hare, you know, Luna's. But I'm not really sure about others. I know that Tonks has a wolf as a Patronus, which we already have here. Same goes for Lily's as a doe. So yeah, let's find out soon. I hope so. So if you like this video, please comment on it and tell us your favorite Patronus Funko. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so. And I will see you next time. Bye bye!